Kakatapos ko lang mag-workout ng isang nakakapagod na workout routine, and I'm craving for some oats for lunch. Yes, who says you cannot have oats for lunch?
Me.
Gonna make that. For this recipe, I'm using quick cook oats and flaxseed, cocoa, and of course, Arla organic powdered milk. Tingnan nyo mamaya ha kung paano. So dahil gutom na gutom ako, normally I would use half lang. Pero 1 whole cup ngayon. Para pag may natira, mamaya, diba? And I will use ground flaxseed. Ganito itsura nun. Para siyang breadcrumbs. Nabili ko to sa isang malaking supermarket. I will use about a tablespoon. Eee! And then, dahil gusto ko ng chocolate oatmeal, gagamit ako ng cocoa or cocoa pag American. So, 1 tablespoon. Ganyan na, yung heaping tablespoon talaga. Pwede rin 1.5. Depends on how chocolatey you'd like it to be. And Arla organic powdered milk. 2 tablespoons. Kasi gusto ko ng very, very creamy and milky. At pagkatapos niyan, we'll put 2 cups of clean water. Ay, clean ba? Oo, syempre clean because I have this very good water filter. So, half cup ang gamit ko. So, 2 cups para malabnaw. Actually, pwede nyo i-push hanggang 2.5 cups. Push natin, ha? Okay. 2.5 it is. Alright. And isa lang sa kalan. Kalan. Or lutuan. Okay. Antayin lang yan. Ayan. So, lutuin lang. Make sure na hinahalo nyo siya habang kayo ay nagluluto. Medyo senti ang lighting ko dito sa kusina. Ha? Ganun talaga. Pag mga emotero may-ari ng bahay. Oh, there. So, hintayin lang to na maluto. Mabilis lang kasi nga quick cooking oats to. So, mga less than 5 minutes. Ready na yan. Ayan, luto na. Ang ganda-ganda, oh. Parang champurado. Well, actually, that's the plan. So, gagawin ko, ipo-pour ko lang yan sa aking bowl. Parang masyadong madami yung ginawa ko. So, half lang. Or makikihati daw si Honey. Okay. So, para sa mga nagbabawas ng sugar intake, gaya ko. Because I love sugar. Ito ang gagamitin ko. Hindi, tulungan niyo akong mag-decide. Gamitin ko ba tong cocoa syrup? Kasi low glycemic na naman siya. But not necessarily low in calories. 15 calories. Okay.
Pwede na yan.
Or, magsa-stevia ako.
Wag.
Nag-workout naman ako, so pwede na siguro to.
Pwede na yan.
Wow. Ganito lang naman, guys. Pwede rin to sa pancakes, ha? I'm not endorsing this or what, but I always have this on hand here in my pantry. Look. Ay, wait. Ayaw niyang bumaba. Malamig eh, galing ref. Look, oh. Para siyang maple syrup, pero gawa siya from coconut. Which is good. Because coconut is the tree of life. Hindi pa masyadong matamis yan, pero okay na rin. So, ito na ang lunch ko, guys. Ito, dahil ako ay Pinoy. Dagdagan pa natin ang Arla powdered milk on top. Look at that. Mukhang champurado, but this is chocolate oats for my lunch. And yes, you can have oatmeal for lunch.